Hello dear student, myself Suren Sharma. We are again with the new concept of accountancy. As in the previous lecture, we have gone through the basic concepts how to prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the firm. Now I am explaining with help of this example. As it is given in the example, there are two partners, Ashim and Nihar. They have started their business on April 1st, 2019. They have invested capital 3 lakh, 2 lakh. According to the deed, Nihar is to get a salary of rupees 5,000 per month. I repeat, it is 5,000 per month. Asim is to get 10% commission on profit after allowing salary to Nihar and interest allowed on capital at the rate 6%. That simply means Nihar gets salary 5,000 per month and Asim get 10% commission. So when we will calculate this amount of 10% commission, ये कैलकुलेट करने के लिए निहार की सैलरी और इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल दोनों को प्रॉफिट गिवन में से डिडक्ट करना है. उसके बाद में 10% कमीशन कैलकुलेट करना है. दिस इज़ व्हाट द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस. आफ्टर allowing salary to Nihar and interest on capital. Profit sharing ratio between these two partners is 3:2. The year end they have earned profit rupees 2,50,000. Asim had given a loan of rupees 1 lakh to the firm. Asim ने 1 लाख रुपए का लोन फर्म को दिया. Interest on allowed on such loan was 8%. उसके ऊपर 8% का इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन दिया जाएगा. And Nihar was a given loan of rupees 2 lakh on which interest was charged. निहार को फर्म ने लोन दिया. आई रिपीट, निहार को फर्म ने लोन दिया रुपीज़ 2 लाख का. उसके ऊपर फर्म इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करेगी 11,000. सो दिस 11,000 वुड बी गेन फॉर पार्टनरशिप फर्म. सो दिस विल बी क्रेडिटेड टू द पार्टनरशिप और पार्टनर्स प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट. Manager was to be allowed a commission of rupees 3,000. Pass the journal entries and distribute the profit amongst the partners, or say prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So dear students, how we do the journal entries? As we know, the first journal entry is whatever profit is earned during the year, that profit is divisible amongst the partner. So first of all, as it is a profit, so you see our first journal entry is profit and loss account debited to profit and loss appropriation account. The whole amount of profit which earned by the firm during the year is transferred to appropriation account. Now what partner gets, that entry is whenever partner receive any kind of salary, entry would be Nihar salary account debited to Nihar capital. Then dear student, this amount would be, next entry is, as you see, Asim commission. Asim is supposed to receive commission and commission will be calculated as per the instruction given in the question. Asim commission account debited to Asim capital. Now these two items will charge against the profit, as we have studied during the concept how we do journal entry for partnership firm. So our next entry would be profit and loss appropriation account. Now this amount will be charged against profit and loss appropriation account. So profit and loss appropriation to Nihar salary or to Asim commission amount. Then next entry would be interest on capital, IOC, to Asim capital to Nihar capital. As their capital is given in the question, it is 3 lakh and 2 lakh, and the rate of interest is given, it is 6% per annum. So in this way it is 18,000 and 12,000. Now the whole amount of this 30,000 would be charged against profit and loss appropriation account. So next entry would be profit and loss appropriation account debited to interest on capital. Now the next entry would be after charging, as I said, whatever instruction given in the question, we will follow all the instruction. Whatever interest, salary, commission are supposed to be given to the partners, that would be given, or that would be debited or credited. After posting all the amount, before I explain this last entry, that is passed on 31st March, P&L appropriation debited to Asim or Nihar capital account, I would first explain profit and loss appropriation account, how this account is prepared, profit and loss appropriation or profit and loss account. So whatever amount of balance is given in the profit and loss account, that is transferred to profit and loss appropriation account first. So it comes rupees 2,50,000. How this amount comes? You see, there is a profit of rupees 250. Then the amount which deducted is 8 lakh, that is interest on loan which is given by partner to the firm, 1 lakh rupees. On that 8% interest is to be charged. And then the next, it is added the amount of rupees 11,000, that is the amount which you can see it is given in the question. The Nihar is given a loan of rupees, यानी फर्म ने निहार को लोन दिया था 2 लाख रुपए का, जिसके ऊपर फर्म को इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा 11,000 rupees. So that would be added into the firm's profit. Now the amount of 3,000 is deducted, that is manager is to be allowed a commission of rupees 3,000. Now the net divisible profit would remain with the partners, that is 2,50,000. Now dear students, all the item which were debited to profit and loss appropriation account, now they are posted into debit side of this account. That is salary to Nihar capital, you see that is 60,000, commission to Asim capital, then IOC to the both the partners, that is interest on Asim capital, interest on Nihar's capital. Now dear students, how we calculate whether there is a profit or loss? So for that I have explained that after posting all the items, look into both the side, which side exceeds. You can see in credit side it is rupees 2,50,000, and you have to deduct, subtract amount of rupees, debit side 60,000, 19,000, 18,000, 12,000 respectively. After that you can see there is a balance of rupees 1,41,000 is still there, is in the credit side exceeds. So this amount, now we come to the entry again dear students. This is the last entry on 31st March. You can see the entry is profit and loss appropriation account rupees 1,41,000 to Asim capital, that is 1,41,000 into 3 by 5. 3 is the ratio of Asim and 5 is the total ratio of these two partners, that is 3 plus 2, that is 5. In this way we will distribute the profit, that comes rupees 84,600 to Asim, and then the next partner Nihar, that will get the amount in this way, 1,41,000 into 2 by 5, and amount is 56,400. And in this way the same amount is passed in profit and loss appropriation account. You can see that is 84,600 and 56,400 put into the this debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. Now dear students, after this there are more concepts regarding this preparation of profit and loss appropriation account, interest on capital, interest on drawings. I hope you would understood the basic concepts regarding with the journal entry of partnership fundamentals and how to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Thank you so much for your patience for listening. Thank you all.